Hi, I'm Gabrielle Herendeen with Remax Estate Properties, and welcome to my latest listing, 5310 West 190th Street in West Torrance. We're in the gated community of Patio Creek Homes with lovely amenities, a sparkling pool and spa, tennis court, and recently remodeled clubhouse. There's a beautiful patio here, right open to the amenities. They don't call it Patio Creek Homes for nothing. And let's have a look inside. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhome. You walk right into the living space on this main level. There's a beautiful fireplace focal point, and this unit was all recently refreshed. So we have fresh paint, crown molding, baseboards, new flooring, recessed lighting. It's ready to move in. The living room opens right to the dining room. There's a dry bar area and a half bathroom. And then this connects through right to the kitchen. Let's check it out. There's even another eating area in here. Nice and bright and sunny. Great natural light. It does overlook the trees here at the end of the community. Plenty of cabinet and countertop space. Again, the recessed lighting. And there's even laundry with the washer and dryer included right here. When you head downstairs, there's the bonus room, 2-car attached garage with direct access, and even a tankless water heater. Let's head upstairs to check out the bedrooms. So all 3 bedrooms are located upstairs. So the 2 secondary bedrooms, they have been refreshed as well. So there's new paint, crown molding, recessed lighting, and baseboards and blinds. They do both have closets, and again, the lovely treetop view. Both of the secondary bedrooms do share this full hall bathroom. And there's great linen storage here too. The master suite is really good size and does have a balcony, again, overlooking these lovely amenities. So we're located in the northern part of West Torrance, adjacent to Redondo Beach. We're less than 2 miles right down to the beach and the Hermosa Strand. And there's a dressing area here, a 3/4 bathroom in the master, and a nice big master walk-in closet. Thank you so much for joining me on this first look of my latest listing. Let me know if you'd like to arrange for your private viewing today.